How to use green screen in CapCut app. First, you need to add your background footage to the timeline within your CapCut project. Now that I have the background added, I need to click Overlay in the bottom menu to add my green screen shot. To do this, I will have to have no clips selected. The overlay will be added to where my cursor is on the timeline. Now with my added overlay selected, I will scroll over on the bottom menu to select the cutout icon. Then select the Remove Background icon. Now I can adjust colors and filters to get the look I am going for.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.